Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for today's Tiger Talk. This is Tuesday, September the 8th. I hope everybody had a wonderful Labor Day and kind of go over some of the things going on here at the high school. One of our biggest things that we're moving through right now is going to be the startup of our fall sports season. So I want to go over information on how to pick up tickets and how to get your information for our ball game. So just so we can follow along here on our website, if you go to bchs.brec.kyschools.us, you'll be able to come to our new updated website. So look on our website here at Breckenridge County High School. You've got school information, academics, staff. You got your athletics page here that you can look at. But also, if you scroll down here at the bottom, we will have a weekly update for our sports. So if you click on week of September the 7th, you'll go in here. You'll notice that we're off on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with our athletics. Then on, and I need to update this. I just noticed it's not updated. But on Thursday, you notice our first home game of the season will be our volleyball team hosting Whitesville Trinity at 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock here at the high school bit JV varsity contest. Tickets on sale. They'll be at the BCHS front desk from today to Thursday from 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock while we're here at school, and I'll explain more about that. Football will be Friday night, 7 o'clock. Tickets will be on sale from today all the way through Friday the 11th from 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock. This weekend, our volleyball team will be playing at Grayson County. They will play Grayson County and Allen County Scottsville, and also our soccer team will be in action as they will be playing against Hart County and Clinton County. Those tickets will be sold through the coaches on those teams to the players' families only at this time. So also you notice on our school website, you'll go to our segment 1, return to play. For segment 1, we will be capping our attendance at 20% capacity for all home games. So for our sports, all of our home games, our tickets will be on sale. 4 tickets for each Breckenridge County athlete, and then 2 tickets for the opposing family only. This will be family only again. Just a reminder, it's not any of your best buddy or girlfriend, boyfriend, however you want to do that. It's actually family only that can come to these ball games at the very beginning. We're hoping to do this, start off this way so that we can increase our crowd capacity as the season goes on. During these games, these attendants must remain socially distant, 6 feet apart. You must wear a mask the whole time. Remember, the number one goal as far as student athletes to get the opportunity to play a sport that they love. And in order for us to do that, we've got to take care of business while we're in there. So right now, for Thursday and Friday, the tickets are on sale here at the high school for students, for the student athletes, families only. So everybody on that roster for those games will have 4 tickets. They'll be able to come by here and pick up those tickets here at the front desk. Some of this is subject to change. This process is subject to change. We might be looking at our volleyball and soccer to just have those tickets on sale at the gate. And be able to monitor that at the gate. But for right now, tickets are being sold here at the front desk. Now, football and volleyball for Thursday night, Friday night, those tickets are on sale here for players' families only. And each player gets 4 tickets, so you'll be able to come by here and grab those tickets. Again, they're being sold here at the front desk at the high school. All tickets are $5. Right now, we are not honoring any coaches' cards or Tiger 100. I know in the years past, we've sold the Tiger 100 membership, which is a donor list, and with that donation, you do get season tickets or tickets for all home games. We're not doing that right now at this point because we're worried about how long the seasons might last. You might pay $100, and then 2 weeks in the season they get canceled. So just to save all that, we're not having any Tiger 100 at this point for this school year. So again, ball games Thursday night and Friday night here at Breck County. Those tickets are on sale now here at the front desk. You will need to be family members of a player on a team. So be sure you talk to the player. Make sure that they've not already given their 4 tickets out. We wouldn't want somebody to show up here and those 4 tickets already be gone for that player. So be sure that you communicate with the student athlete. And if you got any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here at the high school, 270-756-3080. Look forward to seeing our athletes on the field of play, and I'll leave you how we start every day at the high school. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.